Okay, if you saw the first video, you've seen the way I do these pieces here. This one here is just about a ½ inch smaller than this one because it's going to fit up on top. And then this is the 8-sided birdhouse. And so every other one of the walls here has a hole in it for the birds, of course. And then these 3 pieces will assemble together. So that's what that looks like. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll be taking this piece over here. I'm just going to go ahead and move it real quick. Put it down here, kind of line it up somewhat. Eventually it's going to be all screwed together, but just give you an idea how it's going to look. So it'll be something like this all the way around. And that's the way that's going to wind up setting. So it's just a little bit smaller. This piece at the bottom, that's going to be the base of what holds the whole thing up. There's going to be screws into that, into a 4x4 with some brackets that hold it on. If you watched the first video, you know what these lines are for. These will be erased and taken off before I put everything together. And then this, which is the birdhouse walls, it'll set in here. Something like this. I'm not sure if I'm all even everywhere, but this is just dry fitting, if you want to say. And that's basically the way it's going to set on this. And the way I got to these is what I'm going to show you in the next one of exactly how I put all that together and glued it. Now you can see there's some glue and paper marks. That'll all be coming off when I actually mount it to the base and the base to the bottom. Alrighty, hope this helps you out a little bit, get a little bit of ideas. If you need some help, if you decide to build one of these, let me know and I'll send you over how I did it all.